Hi guys, Gallery 3.7.2.8 global version and Gallery Editor version 1.6.5.8.2 global version. Download my Telegram TechnoSmart, link will be in the info box. New feature, click Edit, Quality, Best, High, Medium, Best, optimize photo and size and minimize count file. New feature, update last version Gallery Editor. Very good feature and create and many filter this update and adjust right. New feature, light, range, dark. This new feature, click color. New update, HSL, optimize next feature, color, shadows, next feature, optimize photo and many new effects. I recommended update Gallery Editor, add new feature this update.